Hi everyone, let's jump right in today. Take a look at this video. Claudia's got a balloon and a lighter. Wait, let's not jump right in. Let me just say first, this is a great experiment to try at home, but first you have to have adult supervision if you try it. Adult supervision is required. If I get emails from your family saying I told you to ignite a balloon at your house, I'm going to show them this to prove to you that I said adult supervision required. Second, if you do this at home, wear some eye protection. Little bits of latex don't mix well with eyeballs. And third, you really don't have to try this at home. You can just watch this video, but it is kind of fun to try at home if you want to. Okay, so now let's jump right in. I told Claudia to put the lighter up to the balloon. What do you think is going to happen? Push, go. Yeah, it exploded pretty much instantly. For some reason, Claudia then decided to let her sister do the next demonstration. So for this one, we filled the balloon with water. Now, when Fern holds the lighter up to the balloon, what do you think is going to happen? Okay, let's try it. Nothing seems to be happening. After about a minute, we finally got something, a tiny little hole in the balloon which sprayed water all over the lighter and made it stop working. So we never managed to explode this particular balloon, alas. Sometimes they burst. This one didn't. Okay, before we move on, I'm going to ask you to reflect on a question, so we need your journals out. Start a new page that looks like this. Use a circle icon because this is a reflection. The title will be Heating Water. Make sure to add the date and put it into your table of contents. I'll pause for a minute to let you get all that taken care of. Cool. Well done. Now, in 2 or 3 sentences, write why you think the balloon popped so quickly when it had air in it, but basically wouldn't pop when it had water in it. If you need the whole question, and it's a good idea to write it out in your journal too before you answer it, there it is on the screen. Why did the regular balloon pop quicker than the water balloon? Great job on your reflection. Let's continue. We're going to play around today with some things to do with heating and cooling. There's a link to an online activity in your Google Classroom, but before you go to that link, I wanted to explain a few things. When you set it up, you'll get this screen. You'll be working on the left side here, the intro demo. In this demonstration, you can move things around, like you can put this water bucket onto the heater and cooler. If you want to see what's going on, you'll want to grab a thermometer here and put it into the water. Make sure the little triangle next to the thermometer is touching the water. You see how it turns blue? If the thermometer is up here, you're measuring the temperature of the air above the water. So when you're measuring the temperature of anything, you want to take a thermometer and make sure that the triangle is touching the thing you want to measure. If you want to heat or cool something up, you have to hold this switch. If you let go of it, it'll switch back to where it was. And if you want to heat both of things up at the same time, click this choice up here that says link heaters, and that will move both of them when you move either one of them. So you can heat or cool 2 things at once. Finally, my lab instructions are going to ask you to use a timer. So if you could go find a watch or a phone or something that you can use to time some of the reactions that we'll be playing around with before you get started, that would be great. All right, go jump over to the lab activity. Thanks for your attention to the video, and I will see you over there.